We all know how 3D printing improved and changed workflows in hundreds of industries. Today, we want to talk about how 3D scanning can make things even easier and more accurate. So this is about inspecting your freshly printed parts. My name is Cornelius Wildner from GOM Germany. I'm here at Formlabs in Berlin. You will see how you can quickly examine details like variable thickness, bending or morphing. Let's say we have this gamepad prototype. I want to verify whether it's within tolerance to our original CAD reference, so we will scan it and it will be finished after 25 seconds. Now that our scanning process is finished, so let's take a deeper look into our GOM software. This is our point cloud, our mesh, which we received from the scans. Now let me compare the mesh against our CAD file by a simple surface comparison. For this inspection, we would like to be within a tolerance of 1/10 of a millimeter. I could even go down to 1/100 of a millimeter. So green indicates areas we're happy with, yellow is within the tolerance we set for this demo. Blue shows us areas where a material is missing, while red signals too much material. Of course, we can set deviation labels wherever we need them. This is a good foundation to share with our team or to build the next version of the CAD file. And this is it. We have nothing more to add here. Inspecting is this easy with current software and hardware. By the way, we have additional episodes focused on 3D printing. For example, how to replace a broken part quickly. So check out handsonmetrology.com. Enjoy your next project. Thank you for watching and have a great week wherever you're watching from. Goodbye.